Good morning. This is Margaret at the University of Sewing, and we are on location today. We are at the Bloomington Quilt Gilders show, and that show, Dave's got it's got actually a name to it. Let's see. There we go. Quilts from the Heartland. So that's their name for their show this year. This is at the Bloomington Convention Center. We are here today from 9 until 4. We hope you will join us. We have a giveaway for you today. We are giving away some love labels, say designed by, and a cute little pair of unicorn scissors. If you share our video today and for the next 24 hours, you will get entered into a drawing to win these. So, guys, this is a absolutely lovely show. The Bloomington Quilters Guild is filled with very, very talented quilters. A lot of these quilts are designed by the ladies who did it. Some of them are patterns, but every quilt that you will see here is just lovely and full of talent. These ladies are amazing. This is a very active guild. At different points in time, the guild has had over 200 people in it, and so they've got a lot of people. They do a fabulous show. It's well worth coming. It's in the bottom floor of the Monroe County Convention Center, and that's going to be pretty easy for you to locate on your GPS mapping system. So go ahead and do that. We have a wonderful cave sewing machine embroidering for today, and we have some extra help. Joellen's not going to say hi today, but she's here. So, and then we've got wonderful things going on. Kits and panels for the month of October, regardless if you're in store or in here at the quilt show. Online, you will find all our quilts and panels are 25% off. So hopefully you will find something you like there. Also, make sure that you go ahead and look at the class schedule. It is really blossomed. There's a lot more here, and Dave's throwing things at me, so I will pick this little puppy up. I want you to know, if you come to the quilts show, you will potentially get a golden ticket. So make sure you stop at the booth and ask for a golden ticket. So these are really fun. This is, we're coming up into the holidays, and there's going to be a lot of different things going on, and you have decisions to make. Where are you going to put your wish list? If you go on our website and you look at our sewing machine page that has our PDFs, videos, and downloads on there, there is a place for you to print off a PDF on our wish list. And you can let someone in your life know what you would like from the University of Sewing. We have classes coming up on ruler work, on paper piecing, on, organic quilting, machine free motion quilting. We've also got a mastery lesson coming up on the 990s. We are going to be doing an event with the 990s. So if you're thinking you want to go ahead and learn more about the 990s and you would like to come in and take that, you might want to go ahead and get on a list, because it is going to be limited how many people we can have doing that. So we have got a lot of things coming up and a lot of wonderful stuff for you coming up on sale. Look on our sales page and you will be able to see all the Bernina stuff. I am going to go ahead and get going today, because today, Saturday, is been much more busy than we were yesterday morning. We were able to be here much longer with you. And what happens when we're videoing is people are afraid to come over and talk to us. So I don't want to miss out on being able to say hello to everybody and to be able to give them their golden ticket. So come and join us. We would love to see you. And if you can't come because you're not close to Bloomington, make sure you share the video so that we can go ahead and get your name entered into the drawing for these wonderful little love labels and the unicorn scissors. Very cute, guys. You want to get entered into that drawing. So share our Facebook Live feed, and don't forget to put in the comments that you shared. Have a wonderful day, everybody, and we'll see you soon.